What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the crazy side of YouTube. I'm here with Joclyen. I'll put a link in the description to her channel, and let's just get on with the video. Sis, come on, let's go. We have to look for a house because I'm getting really cold and sick.
Okay.
Let's look for one. Look at this house, sis. Let's go inside.
Okay.
It's dusty.
Very.
But nobody's in it. I think this is a house. I don't look if they have any. Clothes! Look what I found. Look, clothes. Here, let me give you some. Here. There. Let's change. Oh my gosh, I love the clothes. Maybe you can cook some food and I'll look for some jobs and
What do you want? Do you want
a bedroom.
spaghetti?
Soup.
Soup?
Oh, what's this? It's an office. I'm going to check if they have jobs for 5-year-olds and 15-year-olds. I found one. Okay, for 15-year-old, it's ice cream place, and for 5-year-old, it's pizza place. They don't want the 5-year-old at the ice cream place because they're afraid they'll eat all the ice cream. They should be, because we will eat all the ice cream. I'm gonna look if there's any room for me.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if food is good. Sis, I found a room for me. Is this apple supposed to be green?
Yes, I don't think you should eat that. Anyway, soup is done for you.
Yay! Apples can wait. Thanks for the soup, sissy.
You're welcome. I'm gonna make myself some soup too. Did you look for jobs?
Yeah, I told you, you have the ice cream one and I have the pizza one. I already applied. We're going for an interview tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Well, look for the room so we can sleep in because it's kind of getting late.
I already found one. It's in here.
Okay, I'll be there in a little bit. I'm just gonna eat my soup and then I'll go to bed.
Okay, I'm gonna get some tea because I'm getting thirsty. Tea.
It's time for bed.
Okay. Nighty-night, don't let the bed bugs bite.
Good night, sis.
Night, sissy.
Sis. Calm down.
What is it?
It's time for that interview.
Oh, right. Well,
Is
here's...
this the only outfit that they gave that you found?
No, here's another one. Let's change. Let's go, sis. We already ate some food and changed and brushed my teeth and stuff, so let's go.
Do you know where this place is? Because I don't.
Yeah, just follow my lead. We're finally here. You work here and I work here. We're right across from each other. It's perfect.
Bye.
All right, see you at the end of my shift. Time to work. Let's get to work.
Or two.
My shift has ended. Now I can go see my
shift
sis.
is done. I'm just gonna make myself done. I'm just gonna make myself my sister.
Yeah.
Well,
If the background looks different, it's later in the night because I went somewhere. So let's just get on with the role play. Please. Now it's time to go to my sis's job. Sis!
oh, right. I was just finishing some work and then I'll be done. Do you want an ice cream?
Yeah. Well, sis, hurry.
Oh, I think my shift is done.
Alright, let's go. Sis, I'm at home and I'm gonna do some research on our house because it's so dusty and usually houses come
Yeah,
nicely.
I think we should do that. I'll make some dinner. What do you want?
Anything is fine with me.
Okay, I'm gonna cook some chicken.
Sis, oh my gosh, I found out that our house is part of a murder mystery. Dun, dun, dun! That's the end of this video today, guys. Come in tomorrow to see part 2. Peace, love, happy!